Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by extracting facts. Read once, then annotate the problem. Identify given numbers, units, and relational words like more than or per. Assign a clear variable, call it x, and translate relationships into an equation immediately. Convert units now, percentages to decimals, centimeters to meters, fractions to decimals when needed. This step prevents errors later, so do it thoroughly. Once done, you have a clean, algebra-ready statement of the problem and are ready to manipulate symbols. You now manipulate the equation using clear steps. First, simplify both sides, combine like terms, and then use inverse operations to isolate x. If fractions appear, clear them by multiplying both sides. If decimals, consider converting to fractions for exactness. Keep track of sign changes and units during every operation. Solve for the variable, and then plug that value back into the original relational statement to verify it fits any stated constraints, like positivity or integer. You finish by substituting your result into the original wording, verify every condition and unit one more time. Then perform a quick estimate, round numbers and check magnitudes to ensure the answer is reasonable. If something fails, don't redo everything. Retrace the last algebraic step and unit conversion you performed, because most mistakes come from sign errors or misconverted units. One troubleshooting tip: if substitution fails, check the translation step first. Wrong equations are the common culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.